So this is the part 2 of my weight loss journey. In case if you've not seen part 1, go check it out. So this is the protein I'll be taking in the next 7 days. I've already removed the skin, as you can see in the video, and it will go into the oven because I don't want to fry it. So everything I explained in the first part will be practicalizing it in the second part. Okay, so first thing I do before going for my breakfast is taking green tea. So I prepare my green tea, take it before preparing my breakfast. Yeah. So for my breakfast, this is broccoli, and I have 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, and then in there I have chopped onions, bell pepper, and tomatoes. Yeah. So here, that's how I prepare my breakfast. Very easy, nothing much added. Okay. And then add my protein. I've already prepared this protein like I showed you guys in the beginning. So it's always easy for me to just grab and put. And that's it. As you can see, breakfast is ready. Looking healthy. So that is my breakfast, guys. Then I also like to prepare my dinner in the morning because, guys, I don't want to get lazy to do it in the evening and I may end up not doing it, thereby skipping my dinner. So this is my dinner. In there I have blueberry, I have 1 kiwi, and strawberry as well, which you will see in the video as we go along. So that's the strawberry in there, all the berries going in. One medium banana, and 3 tablespoons of unsweetened yogurt. Yeah, this is a healthy yogurt. Then this is 100% sugar-free, salt-free ground peanut butter. So 2 tablespoons of it. And then blend. This is my dinner. So I like to prepare it in the morning and then put it in the fridge for evening. So like I said in my part 1, I take my dinner 6 p.m. and that's it. I don't take any other thing till the next day. So guys, this smoothie right here, it sustains me till the next day. I don't know how, but it's just like a proper meal. I don't feel hungry till the next day taking it. So basically, it helps. And this here, like the things I take in between meals, like if I take my breakfast in the morning around 12 o'clock, if I feel like I'm hungry, I can take 1 apple or 1 egg or 1 avocado pear, depends on how I feel. So my weight before my weight loss journey is 87.8 kg, and my present weight after 1 week is 85.4 kg. Guys, I lost 2.4 kg in 1 week without exercise. Guys, it's doable. And I love the fact that I'm eating healthy and I'm eating things that will help me not to, look sick as I'm losing weight. All this I explained in my part one. So go check it out if you have not done that. In my next video, I'll explain to you guys how I feel eating all these things and what has happened to my health ever since then. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.